guys, good afternoon and welcome back again to another vlog. So today we're just arrived here in Manila. So we're gonna be checked in there, Bayview Park Hotel Manila. And me and Michiko is waiting. We're waiting here inside the car for Charlie because Charlie is inside the lobby right now for check-in. And then after he's done in there, he's gonna pick me up and Michiko here to get the stuffs, and we're gonna go inside the hotel. So let's see what it looks like inside the Bayview Park Hotel Manila, and we're gonna do a room tour today. So tomorrow is gonna be our schedule for Michiko's birth abroad, and then the application for her passport as well. So hopefully everything is going to be okay. So I'll see you guys later for a room tour.
And the food, they'll bring food. We can come down here, but we have to sit separately. But every lady that comes by, she goes.
Sir lobby, guys. Michiko, hey, it's your first time in the hotel? Shh. Chikoy. Shh. Ayun guys, nandito na tayo sa hotel at sa room namin, I mean. Sorry. Magtutour na tayo maya-maya lang. Si Charlie at si Michiko nandun sa bed kasi we will try Michiko to put on a nap, pero ayaw na niya. Palagi siyang ikot ng ikot. So, dito lang ako sa CR para hindi masyadong disturb yung aking sasabihin, para walang medyo maingay kasi sigaw ng sigaw si Michiko. Dahil nga nag-i-enjoy siya, hindi naman sigaw na naiyak or sigaw lang siya na natutuwa dahil nandito siya sa hotel. Hindi niya alam kung ano yung pinuntahan niya o nasaan siya. Ayan, so maya mag-tour na tayo. Okay, let's do a room tour. Ayan, so we're inside the room right now in our bedroom, and I'm standing on the main door. And then when you open the door, you can see this in the right side. This is the bathroom. Okay, this is how it looks like. Look at that. It's so nice. And that's it. This is their sink and their mirror. And this is their closet, I think. Closet. Yeah, this is their closet. See? And there's an extra pillows, the iron board, and the iron. They have safe. And meron silang timbangan dyan. So, meron silang lotion. Ito yung kanilang guys. Amenities na libre. Bubble bath, shampoo. Meron silang shower cap. Then, toothbrush. Dalawang toothbrush. And then, shaving kit. Then, highball glass. And then, meron pa sa dito. Your home by the bay. Siguro pang sa mask ato. Ay, meron lang mask. Ayan. Meron na silang libre, diba? Okay, ito yan siya. Alcohol ata ito yung kit nila. Super nice po. Merong mirror dito sa gilid. Merong malaki. Ayan. Hi! Ayan, from here, ayan yung makikita mo. Tapos, labas ka doon. Ayan. So, sa kabilang side naman, ayan, dito yung kanilang shower area at saka yung toilet. Ayan. Ayan. So, bathtub sila guys. Ayan. Parang nag-ano yung ayan. Then, toilet area. then in here, ayan, pagpasok mo, ayan na siya. After ng comfort room, ayan, makikita mo na yung lagyanan ng kanilang luggage. And then meron silang console table dito na may mirror. Ayan. And then nandyan yung hair dryer, naka-attach na siya sa wall. And then may mga side lamp dyan. Ayan. Marami kaming dala na mga snacks nandyan. Ayan. Super nice. I love this one. And then ayan yung menu niya kung gusto mo mag-order. Meron siyang upuan, and then ito, pwede kang mag-relax dyan. Dala namin yung ni Michiko, stroller, and then dalawa yung bed nila. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Hi, Michiko.
Hi, Mama.
Hi,
everybody.
Hi.
I'm liking this.
Say hi. You know, lakad-lakad. So, carpeted yung kanilang floor. Simula dyan, napunta dito. Doon, tiles siya. Yeah, tiles. And then, ayan yung kanilang bed. So, doon sa kabila si Michiko, matutulog. Hindi naman siya masyadong malikot sa gabi. And then, ito yung kanilang TV. At saka, meron silang kettle dito, electric kettle. Ayan, meron na silang coffee, nilalagay, Lipton tea. Ayan. Ayan. Thermos at saka water kettle. Electric kettle. Saka meron silang mini ref, maliit na ref. Ayan, mini bar ba tawag dyan. And then, nagdala kami ng ice chest or ice cooler kasi nilagyan namin ng food o drinks namin kanina. Ayan. So, Michiko is having fun walking. Ayan. Meron silang tubig, telephone. Ayan. Michiko.